Nataraj of Business Management. Business Management Solutions for Crisis Management Situations. At Sam and Neil Consultancy, we arrived upon this concept and its parallels with business management quite accidentally. It is an ancient Indian concept from the Vedic period later developed over the 5th to 10th century. It has interesting applications in the world of general and business management. The concept of Nataraj represents joyful play or dance of eternal movement as a core management principle in this physical universe. When applied to business management, it has interesting parallels and insights into business management theory. Nataraj is the visual representation using the dancing image of Lord Shiva as a symbol for the movement of joyful and eternal activity. The dancing figure of Shiva with 4 arms and 1 foot raised stands on the body of a demon in the center of a circle with flames of creation emerging from it. This circle is the world of physical manifestations and can change according to the circumstances one wants to apply this concept to. The visual represents 8 components of this concept: 1 world attribute, 2 core central attributes, and 5 balancing attributes. Creation. The upper right hand holds the damru, the drum, which is the source of vibration of creation. Modern physics now confirms vibration as a source of the universe and of all creation. Destruction. The upper left hand holds Agni, the fire of destruction, representing dissolution, as the other half, the vital half of creation. Ethics. The right way. The second right hand is shaped in a symbol of protection, as if to say, be not afraid if you follow the right way. It indicates dharma, the path of universal law, the good and the right thing to do, as the guiding influence. The path beyond the world of illusion, activity. The second left hand points to the uplifted foot, denoting the importance of transcendental activity and thought beyond the world of Maya, the necessity to transcend the illusion of empty thoughts. In the words of Einstein, the solution to a problem needs to come from a higher transcendental level as compared to that of the problem. Knowledge, the way beyond ignorance. Under the dancing foot, suppressing the demon apasmara signifies the importance of knowledge to maintain dominance over ignorance. Balance and objectivity. The stoic face of Shiva in the center of all these symbols represents the significance of creating and maintaining balance between the different elements necessary for success. Energy. Around the waist, Shakti, the vital and regenerating energy source necessary for survival, is represented in form of a serpent. The manifest universe, the world of things. The ring of fire represents the physical universe and the position of the Nataraj concept as a core principle at the heart of the universe, the core principle at the heart of everything. This can be translated into a management model. If we take away the physical connotations of Nataraj and look at the underlying inherent principles, we see a model representing an equation between the vital principles of general management, namely creation and destruction, maintained by the element of balance and understanding, and the right way towards success, and the need for activity balanced by knowledge necessary to go beyond ignorance. Now the application to business management situations. If we replace the entire manifest world by the world of business management, we can see a model emerge, giving a fantastic equation for the application of business management principles, namely innovation and denovation balanced by a strategic vision, ethics and the need for an action plan guided by right information, and all of this balanced by the need for a strategic vision and energy represented by the need for finance. At Sam and Neil Consultancy, we work on the application of several such models and business solutions customized to your very specific strategy, innovation, and management needs. It is our vision to improve access worldwide to best in class strategy, innovation, and management solutions.